We are looking at how to pronounce this word, as well as how to say more interesting food names and more interesting words in English whose pronunciations is just really hard to guess. So there are two different ways of saying this. In British English, this is normally pronounced as tuna, not with a T sound, and not a proper T sound, but a chew sound, tuna. In American English, however, it is said as tuna, tuna. In American English, which makes a little more, it's more obvious, let's say, tuna in American English versus tuna in British English. And now you know. Did you get this? Was this any helpful? Let me know in the comments and by using the like button. Thank you kindly for your support. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more interesting words in English whose pronunciations aren't exactly always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.